In this video, I'm going to show you how to record audio on Soundation. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open up your project, and from here, you want to go to Add Channel, top left, and you want to click on Audio Channel. Now, when you do this here, you can, of course, position this playhead to wherever you want to start your recording. So, for example, if I want to record my voice as an audio, I can go to the beginning here, and I can just go and hit this record button up top. But before you do this, make sure you actually are allowing microphone to be used in here inside your project. Okay, so go to the top over here, and here's where you can basically enable and allow microphone and MIDI devices as well and stuff like that. So go and hit the record button, then you can go ahead and basically calibrate latency if you wanna. I'm just gonna skip this, and whenever I press on the skip button, there we go, it's now recording. And as you can hear, of course, as you'll be able to hear in a few seconds, my audio is getting recorded. I can just click on this button or this button, it's going to stop the recording, and if I now play this, you'll hear that I've actually successfully, there we go, it's now recording, and there we go, recorded some audio. Now, that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.